Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Joseph from ScreenBite. So you're on YouTube, you're a tech reviewer, or you need something to where you just use a top-down angle that looks just super slick and super nice. All the tech tubers are using it. Everyone who has a top-down angle has a way of doing it, and a lot of it's jerry-rigged. But you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. Well, hopefully this video is going to help you guys out because I feel like I've discovered the best way to do it for under $50. And it's actually very simple to do. So I went to Amazon, my favorite place in the world, and I found a couple of things that I thought would work really well together. I purchased them and it turns out it actually works really well. So you're going to need actually only two things here. You're going to need a paper background holder. The one in particular that I'm going to be using is the Luma Studio. I believe it's a 10-foot by 8-foot tall unit, but it can be lower or shorter. Maybe not shorter, but it could definitely be lower. And it is, I believe, a little bit over $40. And we're going to be using this as our main rail across the top to where we're going to mount our camera. And then the thing that makes this all work is actually a small rig mount, which I believe was just over $10. And that small rig mount holds onto that pole really well, and it actually holds onto the camera pretty securely. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and test it out. So now that it's all together, how exactly do you do this? Well, number one, you mount your camera to the top. Now, if you don't have something like the GH5 or some Canons that have the flip out screen, you're going to run into a little bit of problem when it comes to framing. So I would highly recommend getting something like, at least with the GH5, you could take advantage of Panasonic's Image app, or there's this Field Monitor app that I personally like to use, which allows you to use your phone as a monitor for your camera. But that's only if you don't have a flip out screen. If you have a flip out screen, you can kind of just look up and it's gonna work for you. So once all that is set up, you basically just need to frame your shots and start shooting. So let's go ahead and take a couple test shots here and see how it turned out. And there you have it. Super simple, right? This, I feel, adds a lot of production value to review videos because it gets the camera out of the way and allows you to be as personal with the object as possible. It also makes it so you're not sitting in awkward angles when you're trying to showcase a product. So if you're interested in something like that, like I said, I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave some links in the description down below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase it there, it does go to help the channel, and I appreciate it. But if you don't worry about it. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and do it for this video, guys. So thank you once again for watching. As always, if you liked it, make sure to show it by hitting that like button down below. It really helps me out. As well as if you have any questions about what we talked about today, feel free to ask it in the comment section. You could also ask me any questions on Twitter at ScreenBite. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like the content, feel free to subscribe. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.